Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use a custom flyer for your affiliate to promote your WooCommerce store using OSI affiliate software. When setting up a WooCommerce affiliate referral program with our software, we provide you with an option for your affiliates where they can send people to a coupon page that displays a coupon code that anyone can use to get a discounts on their order of your products or services. If you have a brick and mortar business and you want your WooCommerce affiliate to be able to give people a printable flyer that they can bring in that has their affiliate ID code at the bottom, this can be done easily. To activate, please log in to your OmniStar account and click Referral Programs. Select the referral program. Click the blue pencil icon to edit. And from here, how would you like to pay your users? Money, a percentage of a sale. You have to put how much and just click continue. Now, from here, instead of send directly to my store, you have to select coupon with image. The link to your store, you can also upload an image here and the coupon logo. And from here below is you can change the background color, the button color, and once done, all you have to do is just click finish. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.